था।
We have never witnessed snowfall before as we come from India and it is quite sunny there. Witnessing the first snowfall was truly magical. As the flakes gently fell from the sky, everything transformed into a pristine winter wonderland. The pure white blanket covered the streets and rooftops, creating a sense of serenity and tranquility. Excitedly, I ventured outdoors to embrace the soft, cold touch of snowflakes on my cheeks. The world seemed to slow down as I marveled at the untouched beauty surrounding me. The first snow brought a sense of childlike wonder, reminding me of the joy and innocence of the season.
Let's play. See, I made a butterfly. Look.
It was a moment to cherish, marking the beginning of a season filled with warmth and joyous festivities. This is our neighborhood playground, and my daughter wanted to come here and play, so we came and enjoyed the playground filled with snow. We made snowman in the tree house, and Ivanshika was very happy. After enjoying our first snow, it's time for our breakfast. It is a bit late, so I will be making something quick. Some coffee and bread toast will be ready in 5 minutes and is perfect for this weather also. I am making Ivanshika's breakfast plate ready now. After breakfast, I am doing some light cleaning so that we can enjoy our winter inside a cleaner house. But I know my daughter will make it messy again in next 10 minutes. My husband got some new toys for my daughter. He is opening for her and helping her to understand how to play with them.
Captain America, yes, Captain America.
Do you like these? Oh, this bring it out. Let me make a shape for you. Let's give you half inside. had our lunch, and after that, we thought about going out for some time. We came to the market and enjoyed the Christmas vibe and had our snacks and dinner in the market. Ivanshika went to sleep early as she played a lot today, and I was craving something to eat at night, so I thought to make those momos that I showed earlier today. And that's how we enjoyed our first snow